morning, friends. Let us start part 11, chapter 13, ways to multiply and divide, class 5 NCERT, more with division and multiplication. NCERT class 5, page number 183 to 185. So let us start. Question number 1. A tank is full of 300-liter water. In a tank, we can have 300-liter water. How much water will be filled in 25 tanks? One tank has 300-liter water, so 25 tanks will have more water, means it's problem of multiplication. Okay. If 15 buckets can be filled with one tank, how many buckets in all can be filled with 25 tanks? So 15 buckets with one tank, 15 bucket with 25 with second tank, 15 buckets with third tank, 15 bucket with so on 25 tanks. So this is again question of repeated addition means multiplication. So let us start the question. Solution. Capacity of one tank is 300 liter of water. 25 such tanks can have 300 into 25 liter. So I have already told you when there are zeros at the end, we forget zero at once. 25 3s are 75 and then we use these 30. Okay, so the answer will be, so 25 such tanks can have 7500 liter of water, 7500 liters of water. Okay, now the second question is, if 15 buckets can be filled with one tank, one tank can fill 15 buckets, so 25 tanks can fill 15 into 25 buckets, so that is 375 buckets. Okay, 25 tanks can fill 375 buckets of water. Okay, so the next question is, there are 28 laddus in 1 kg. 1 kg has 28 laddus. How many laddus will be in 12 kgs? So 1 kg has 28 laddu means 12 kg must have more than 28 laddus. 1 kg is 28 laddu, then again 1 kg 28 laddu, then again 1 kg 28 laddu. This is repeatedly added up to 12 times. So this is up to here. Question related to multiplication. If 16 laddus can be packed in one box, whenever the case is coming packed in one box means we are distributing laddus in boxes, means the problem is of division. How many boxes are needed to pack all these laddus? Okay, so let us start. Solution. Number of laddus in 1 kg is equal to 28. Number of laddus in 12 kg, 28 into 12, repeatedly added 28. So 12 kg of laddu will have 336. You can multiply this, 336 will be answer. So you can multiply simply here. One box can have 16 laddus. Number of boxes needed to pack 336 laddus. 336 divided by 16. So number of boxes needed to pack 336 laddus. 336 laddu will be 28. 16 2s are 32. 1 is remainder. Then put 6 down. 16 1 just 6. Okay. So let us move to next question. There are 26 rooms in a school. Each room has 4 plants. If each plant needs 2 cups of water, how much water do we need for all plants? Solution is, number of rooms in a school is 26. Number of plants in each room is 4. So total number of plants in the school is 26 into 4, that is 104 plants. So total number of plants in the school is 104. Each plant needed 2 cups of water. So 104 of plant will need more water. More means multiplication. The amount of water needed in the school for plants is 104 plants into 2 cups. So amount of water needed in the school for the plants is equal to 208 cups of water. Okay. So let us move to next question. Make the best story problem. Some story is given and we have to select one question which is correct out of these 3. Okay. A shopkeeper has 50 boxes and there are 48 fruit in one box. Total box is 50 boxes and 48 fruits in one box. So what can be the question? How much will be the shopkeeper pay in all? This cannot be question because there is nothing about money amount. How many fruits are there in all? Yes, this can be question because 15 boxes, 48 fruits. So total fruits will be 40 into 48 into 50. Okay, so this is correct. How many more boxes will be needed? Nothing about the packing. There are already 50 boxes, so nothing like this. So only this question is correct. Okay, so in this way we have to select the question. So the next question is 352 children from a school went for a camping. Okay, each tent had a group of 4 children. 354, 352 children went for picnic. One tent can have 4 children. Means this question is about division. How many children did each tent have? This cannot be question because each tent can have 4 questions. This information is already given. How many tents do they need? Yes, this can be the question because there are 352 children and one tent can have only 4 children. So 4 4 8 ja 32 minus 5 minus 2 3 2 down 4 9 4 8 ja 32. So how many tents do they need? 88. How many children in or they are in school? We cannot say anything about the how many children in the school. So this cannot be the question. So this is the correct choice out. Next is a shopkeeper has 204 eggs. He puts the eggs in a tray. Each tray has 12 eggs. Means this is distribution of eggs. Means this is problem of division. How many more eggs will he need? Nothing about the more eggs because total egg is 204. How many fresh eggs does he sell? It is nothing about the fresh or stale egg. How many egg tray does he need? This is the question. How many trays does he need? He needs 204 divided by 12. 12 in 12. 8. 20 minus 12, 8. We put it down. 4. 12 7 84. Means he needs 17 trees. So this is the correct choice of answer question. The cost of one book is rupees 47. Sonu buys 23 books. One book 47, second book 47, third book 47, fifth book 47 means repeated addition. Means question related to multiplication. How much money does she have? Nothing can be said about that. How much money she had? Because this is only about one book. How much money does she pay for the books? Yes, this is the right question because how much money she will pay? She will pay 47 into 23. This much amount of money she will pay. What is the cost of 47 books? We can also find this. What is the cost of 47 books? 47 rupees 47 is cost of one book. So cost of 47 is 47 multiplied by 47. So the answer will be for this question. So these two can be the questions. Cross check the Hari Saran. Harisan wanted to divide rupees 2456 amongst his 4 sons. How many sons? 4 sons. Okay. Papa, each of us will get rupees 2456 divided by 4. That is 624. His eldest son has divided, and he divided like this: 2456 divided by 4, that is 624 rupees for each. Okay, so whether he has done correctly or not, for we can check this. How we can check this? We multiply this by this. If this is equal to this number, means division is correct. So 624 multiplied by 4. It should be 2456. Okay. 4 4 ja 16, 1, 4 2 ja 8 and 1 9, 4 6 ja 24, 2496, which is not equal to this, means he has done this question incorrectly. So what will happen when he will give it solved it incorrectly? Let us see. So what he started, Hariharan multiplied 624 by 4, which is equal to 2496, means which is not equal to that total amount. So the question division was wrong. It seems you have made some mistake in the calculation. Let me check. So he checked like this. So how can we check? We multiply this by this. If this is equal to the main amount, the answer will be correct. The son did division again and he finds this 614. Before telling his father, he checked on his own. Okay, what he has done, he has multiplied 614 with 4, and this time he got 2456. It is correct. Each one will get rupees 614. Okay, this is all for this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe the channel if you have not subscribed till now. Thank you.